Hi folks, welcome to the first explanation clip of the Online Mathematics Summer Course 2016. I will start with exercise 1, simplify as much as possible. Please note that in the Sowieso platform there is a random mechanism, which means that what appears to be the order A, B, C here, so I have here A, B, C. This could be different in your test. So maybe this is in your test, this has been exercise 1B or 1C. So, but I start with my order now here and with 1A, simplify as much as possible. So let's start. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Okay. So I start here. Oopsie, this is a little bit skewed. So I start here. So this is equal to 5 divided by, and 14 is the same as 2 times 7 times 2 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 7 times, and the square root of 4 is 2. And then I get, so what I can do is here I have a 2 and here I have a 2, so I can just erase them. So if I have a product, then I can just erase this, but let's have an in-between step. So then I have here 5 times 2, and then I have here 2 times 7 times 3, minus 4 divided by 7. So now I can erase the 2 here, and then I get 5 divided by 21 minus, and now I cannot just subtract the 4 here because they don't have the same denominator. So what I can do, I can write this as 7 times 3 and 4 times 3, because now they also have the denominator of 21, what I have here. And now I can rewrite this as with a common denominator 21, and then I get 5 minus 12, and 5 minus 12 is minus 7. Then again can simplify this, because if I rewrite the 21 as 7 times 3, and then I can erase this, and what I get is minus 1/3. So now let's move to exercise B, well, what appears to be B in my order here, so this one here. So we can start first by thinking about what is actually 2 3/4. Well, this is the same as 2 plus 3 divided by 4, and I can rewrite the 2 now by 8 divided by 4 plus 3 divided by 4. Why am I doing this? Well, if they have the same denominator, I can just add up what's in the numerator. So this is 11 divided by 4. So this is equal, oopsie, so this is equal to 11 divided by 4. This was the first term here. Minus, and now I'm getting rid of the bracket, minus 1/3 times 5 divided by 12. And now we have to be very careful, because this minus times minus is actually plus. So plus 1/3 times 3 divided by 2. Now I can simplify this a little bit. So 11 divided by 4 minus, what is this here? This is 5 divided by 36 plus, and I can erase the 3 here, plus 1/2. To further simplify this, let's check here. 11 divided by 4 minus 5 divided by, let's check for a common denominator. So 36 is actually 3 times 3 times 4 plus 1/2. So what we could do is, for example, to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 times 3 or 9. So 11 times 3 times 3 or 9. 4 times 9 minus 5 divided by 9 times 4 plus, how do we get 36 here, where we can multiply both here by 18. So now we have a common denominator, and then we can write this as 36, and here we have 99 minus 5 plus 18, and this is equal to 99 plus 13 divided by, oopsie, 36, and then this will be equal to 108 and 12 divided by 36, and then we can check whether this is still possible to simplify this. Well, I see both are even numbers, so let's check how this looks like when we both divide them by 2. So here we have 18 by 2. They can simplify this even further. So 56 is actually the same as 2 times 28 divided by 9 times 2. Then I can erase the 2 here. And then 28 is actually the same as 4 times 7 divided by 9. But now it's not possible to further simplify this or to... so we just write here that our result is 28 divided by 9. So if I want, I can further simplify this, because this is actually the same as 27 plus 1 divided by 9, and this is then the same as 27 divided by 9 plus 1 divided by 9, and this is then 3 plus 1/9, and then this is actually the same, but maybe it looks a little bit nicer. And let's move to the last exercise here. So this one, this I can rewrite as square root of a times 16a minus 2a, and this I can rewrite as actually 4 to the 4 square times a square minus 2a. So this is then the square root of 4 square times square root of a square minus 2a. And this is then just 4 times a minus 2a, so this would be 2a.